With listings, every view is a potential buyer. But attention spans are shrinking as the world becomes more visually demanding. With Giraffe360, agents now have the chance to fill this void. That's because we believe in first impressions, that listings must wow, grab attention, and guide buyers on a journey of understanding and imagination. With our intuitive virtual tours, you can provide your viewers with the control to explore every listing, opening the door to more inquiries. Turn views into leads. Provide buyers with a total understanding of your listings with mini-map navigation, and label key sales information around every property. Our robotic property camera is purpose-built for agents, scanning, analyzing, and capturing rooms for you in just a matter of seconds, collecting hundreds of thousands of data points that are used to map spaces with HDR clarity and LiDAR precision. Your content is then automatically assembled and edited for you by advanced machine learning technology, ready for you to personalize and apply your creativity. With Giraffe360, you're not subscribing to just virtual tours, floor plans, videos, and photos. You're subscribing to technology that empowers you to list creatively, stand out, and raise the bar of property presentation across the market. Giraffe360. Book a demo today.